I'm working as a language teacher and I feel very isolated. I feel like you look on the internet for some resources and I just don't know how to implement those resources into the classroom. So I was really looking for something that connected me with other teachers and some hands-on, actual real-life experience of how to do these activities. The course exceeded my expectations. I said to my husband, this looks exactly what I need. It's task-based, the kids are actively moving and playing to learn English. That's what I want to do. I don't know how to do it, so the course will be great. I get here and the course is beyond those expectations. I can't believe how willing you are to share all your knowledge, because I know working in the teaching profession, people often hold on to their information and they don't share. And so to come here and to receive so much information from you that you're willing to share and you're offering to us to use, I just found amazing and really hands-on, practical, great advice. It was wonderful.
This is what I really wanted and I really had in mind, because I've been looking for such a course for like 2 years now, and I'm very happy that I participated in this, because it's really getting things out of me which I really need. So the TPR, this is what I really like, and I think that children need that they will move their bodies and at the same time learn through moving their bodies. So
when I started using puppets, I realized that the kids were just really listening to me, bringing another person alive in the class. You know, when they got bored of me, teacher, they would focus on this other person, animal, puppet, and it would just bring new energy and a lot of attention. You know, you can really give puppets a character. So it makes people laugh, and it's a really good way of revising vocabulary, and it's just a lot of fun, and I have a lot of fun when I do it, so that's probably why the kids like it so much too, you know.
I liked a lot of professional, remarks how to teach small children. Very, very practical, very professional. Yes, and what I loved about your course is you. You are so persuasive, you are so convincing, and I started believing in myself. That's what the most important. I was interested in English, and I am interested in English, and I am interested in theater, and now I can, I can put it together and explore.